Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and let's take a quick look at the Kobe 6 Protro by Nike and Kobe Estate in the ASG Hollywood 3D colorway. These were released back on the 13th of February 2026 for the retail price of £175 here in the UK. It comes in a black snake printed glossy black box with gold Kobe signature on the lid and its logo on the side. The shoes come wrapped in white paper along with black and gold Kobe branded snake printed ones. No extra accessories come with this pair, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. The Nike Kobe 6 Protro ASG Hollywood 3D makes its return after 15 years from its original release on NBA All-Star Weekend in Los Angeles back in 2011. Like its name suggests, this shoe is inspired by the classic red and blue 3D glasses once worn in the movie theatres. This detail can be seen behind the tongue tab and is referenced on the mixed match red and turquoise hits on the dark grey and white shoe. The left shoe features a red heel counter, tongue logo and lateral swoosh, while the other swaps in blue. Along with the 3D look to its upper, this reptile print rubber coating is also a nice touch. I recommend staying true to the size only if you have narrow or normal width feet. I have wider feet and I've had issues with Kobe 6s for a long time due to how narrow they are. In this video I went up a size because they didn't have half sizes by the time of purchase and it definitely felt a little bit too long and roomy. As usual, purchase links with my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching, please drop a like and comment Hollywood to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.